chick cam again. Have a good look at these. The 2 AMs look okay. One of them looks stunning. Can't see no problems with any of them. Even the Salamas are doing well. The white one's not white. Got black feathers. Well, stripy feathers. Partridge. 3 Wilsoners, as you can see. I'm pretty sure I've got 2 boys and 2 girls. Not pylon. I'll give you a chick cam for 2 minutes. This is going to get fun. We've got the chainsaw going. Well, hopefully. We've not started it. Kaylee's fixed it last night. She's gone to fetch fuel. I'm fetching rope so we can brace the trees that we're chopping. The kids are not allowed up to the woods now because we're going to get the chainsaw going. Petrol. Over there. But I've got to come down for the rope anyway. Wrong drawer. Wrong drawer. Oh, for Pete's sake. Petrol. Pippin's tied up so she can't come near us. Kids aren't allowed up. We are armed and dangerous.
Some pre-mixed in.
But now I've got all the safety gear, Mother. What we're going to chop back a good 30 foot by 30 foot section of trees. It's in the shade, so we've got water. I've got juice. I don't drink water. I can't stand the taste of water. I can't stand the smell of water. So, this is gonna get fun. This bunch here is what we're doing. 3 on the left, and 3 there. Them 2. We'll take a break after. And we'll see how the video goes. Full blown safety front. It's got front safety, hard hat, ear protectors. There's the chainsaw. There's everything we need. I think we're ready. I'm just going to add in here, these are not cooperating as you've seen. Oh, we're going to have a rest because I am sweltering. And we've only took 5.
1, 2, 3, yeah, 5.
We've took 5 and I'm sweltering. So we're going to have 2 minutes now. But now I thought I'd say that we are trying to do it as safe as possible. Well, we are doing it quite safe. It's just the trees aren't cooperating. We've already bowed 1 panel. We're going to rethink the strategy. Right, this one's just to show the little ones being tucked down. I sound hollow. I got my safety gear on. No, that one decided it wanted to stay stood up.
I obviously came off clean then.
Oh yeah, straight through it. Looking loads clear. We've just took that bunch down there. We've still got all this to break down. Kay's taking them off and piling them there. I'm cutting the big one. These are useful. These are all got special uses. The big one that I fell that didn't want to fall over and stood up, that's mine. And they're all useful bits. But now we've only just looked at the time. It's definitely lunchtime. Definitely. Kaylee's got some curry for me. I love a curry. Got my other half up with the mower. We have a garden. It's down. We've pulled the tree out. They're coming down. All this will be out soon. We're going right back. Look, I found the gutter. That used to run. I think there's a pump there somewhere that used to run. Oh, down there. Oh, down there. Into that, which is no longer a pond. We're trying to roll hay. This is all the good stuff that I've straightened out. I'm going to try rolling it. We took the dead tree out, but we found a lot of ivy. So we'll work on this tomorrow. But we've got a garden. I don't know how many buckets of grass we've used. All these, we've got plans. That shed's ours.
Although I have to remember, we get so far through and I'm like...
I love my partner. Right, I'll drive them in. Charlie's going to lock them. Quite well behaved. You ready, Charles? Drop the hatch. Go on. It'll push your bum in. Drop hatch. It'll push your bum in. Lift it. No, you get stuck on wire. So you have to lift, push back. There we go. You got your walking stick?
Yeah.
We'll do the Indians on way back and Gypsy. Ow, ow, ow. Come on. Trying to get the chicks in. Come on, Gypsy. Come on, Esmeralda. Come on. Jazz, are you helping with these? Yeah. Right, come and stand next to Pen then, so they'll go up. Right, Jazz, geese. Let me just check in the nest box for the geese. Okay? Up. Right, if we keep arguing, nobody's doing them. Jasmine, drive your geese in, please. Not too fast. The other goose, Jazz, the other goose. Kids fearless. Now for once, these have already gone in. Lift the hatch. Lift this up.
They normally take dragon.
Well, that's because it's late, Desi.
They're probably used to it going in early. Sometimes they want to go in.
My lock don't want to go down today.
Maybe it's the wrong way.
Desi?
Okay.
Karen's doing fine. Come on. Go on, Jade. Drive them in. In a minute, let Jade do her beds.
You can do the other ones. Thanks.
No, you do the swarmers, the yobbers. Jazz gets to do Aki.
I want to do some burgers.
You've got the main flock as well. Have you done it?
Trying, but it's getting stiff.
Right, well, shift out then and I'll lock it. That quail is doing me head in. Jazz, Jade, move, please. Can't do it. You're not supposed to be checking for eggs, are you? Right, do Japan attitude, Jazz.
Oh, she said me, Dave.
No, Jazz, you're doing Aki. Slow down. Right, drive him, spin him round. Here we go. Good boy, Aki.
I did
See?
it.
Come on then.
But his tail
Come on.
stuck. His tail was stuck. Did him.
Are you done up?
Yep.
Jade's done hers. Right, come on then.
I'll grab my stick.
Main flock.
No, we're doing the geese first. Are you doing geese?
Jade, Jazz and Charlie do the geese and the muskies. Jade and Desi do the main flock with Blue. And then we swap tomorrow, okay? quick show of what we did with the chainsaw. It got too hot this afternoon, so we did strimming instead. Most of them are already in. The muskies think they're sleeping on top of the coop. You can see where I took all trees down. Oh, the door's shut, that's why. Let me open the door, guys. Oh, she's nesting. Come on. Work together, remember? What? Wait. You're forgetting 2 muskies. Just move. Right, slower. Wait, Charlie, give them chance. She can't see, remember?
There's 2 more. There's 2 more.
That's a muskie egg. Right, 1 from one side. Let Jazz get her this side, Charles. Wait a sec. Right, Jazz, bring her round. Work, right. You two. Work together. Jazz. Come on, girl. Let her come. There we go. Right, we really need to work on our coordination together, don't we? That's 4 musky eggs.
I've already got 1 blue egg.
We don't get blue eggs.
I'm collecting AM feathers from blue.
Well, please don't. Right, who's holding my phone while I tie this, please? Come on then, Jazz.
So I say
Don't touch anything, just wait. I've got to lock this gate up. Desi, please leave the AM feathers. Thank you.
They were good
Right.
test that.
Desi and Jade, you've got these tomorrow, okay? You have to watch these sticks because we didn't get none of them cleared. Do you have to climb over them like that, Desi?
That's an egg.
What? Leave the eggs. Excuse me, can we work together? One side. Jade, wait for Desi. Come on. Is that it? One hen?
Yeah. Really?
You be nice. Someone grab that egg before Blue has me. All in bed. Tell it's a late one tonight. Everyone's already in bed. Makes my job 10 times easier.
We barely get through it.
It's not the end of the world.
Well, Jake just did it on her own.
Right.
There was only one.
Right, well, I think tomorrow we'll go work on coordination with everybody in pairs, aren't we? Because I don't think anyone knows how to be coordinative.
What does that mean?
It means working together as a team, doing as one.
Yeah, everyone hates me, so they never let me pass the
Desi, enough.
stick.
Go and find your stick then. My trail cam's not working. In fact, I'll take it home and try and get it working. I'll put the card in, but it won't format the card. You got it.
I wondered what that was.
Mummy's trail cam. I need to take it home and sort it because it's not formatting properly. Right, we'll check on these guys. I think everybody's okay in here. Oh, yep, they're up and perching. Some more plants to sort. Come on then out. Nice and cool in here tonight.
It's supposed to be
All the windows are open. Kids will be repotting tomorrow. They've all got a stick. I've whittled them, handles in them. Just got some sanding to do. I'll go and lock up the garage in a minute. Well, do a video of the garage. Are you leaving your stick here, Jazz?
Yeah.
Put it somewhere then. Why are the bikes just dumped down, please?
I put mine in the garage.
There you go, girl. Nice apple. Get you cleaned out in the morning. That's on my first list. I'm not gonna mess with him tonight. Her babies have been coming out. How are we doing? Sol's still on one leg. Mummy hen's doing okay.
The black babies and males are gink. I just put it in baskets. So they don't go trails.
The baby bunnies.
He's so cute. It's so cute.
Water, please.
Water.
Desi. These are all coming out soon. Sort them. Got plenty of food, they've just scraped it everywhere. So they'll be coming out into a pen tomorrow. I might just get rid of boys. Yes, I know, we've got water coming, guys. Hey, oh Podgy, oh Podgy, oh Podgy. But no, that's all the birds, all doing okay. You can see what we've been up to today. That's why it's mainly work videos. I've got nettles where you don't want nettle stings. Kaylee's fed the kids. No, everyone's doing good. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. That's ours.
Only won't eat rabbit.
Turn it into chick shed until we get lambs, and then that's the lamb rearing shed, as well as all this. We're electric fencing it. This is coming down tomorrow. We're working down here tomorrow where it's cool. Or we'll work up top when it's hot. And then we'll work down here in the evening. And we'll fell. The hedge is going right back. They're coming down. This will all come out right back because I think the platform is there. I think that's the edge. Right the way down. So we'll come right round, up into here. And we're bringing the electric fencing because that's what we're using. Right round. We'll create a gate here because we're keeping this. Round here. Or down here.
I don't have much to do with him. Like I say, I know in France, there is all of the ponds in France.